downstream tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make money using Adsterra direct link with the help of WhatsApp. Now, if you are using WhatsApp Messenger every day and you have not really find a way to monetize your viewers, then this video is for you. With this video, you can really make a lot of money by monetizing your viewers. What do I mean? What I mean is, when people click on your people view your status, or you message people, or you belong to a group, you can really make money from Adsterra directly. As you can see from this website, I'm using Adsterra right now, and they're displaying very perfectly. They're displaying very perfectly. That's the beauty of it. You can use banner, you can use a banner, you can use any type of ad you want. But in this particular tutorial, you're not going to use banner or any kind of banner ads. We'll be using what we call direct link. Now, Adsterra they have a package, or they have a kind of ad that is called direct link. For example, if I log into my Adsterra account, and click on login as a publisher, I will sign up here. I will sign in here. Sorry. Once I sign in, so this is my Adsterra account. Currently, I don't have any money on it. If you check my statistics, you will see so far I have generated 22 impressions. 22 impressions. I have not generated any click. So my CTR is just 000. So until that's the same this thing I'm using here. That's the same as I'm using here, which is also the same thing I'm using here. Let's say somebody visit this my site and click on this. The click will count and I will earn some money. But since I just created this account few hours ago, and this site just this thing ago, I will not be making any much income from it. So let's proceed. So today I'm going to show you how to make money using Adsterra and Adsterra direct link on your WhatsApp status. Okay, I have logged into my Adsterra account. So the next thing I should do is to set up my direct link. I'll go to direct link here. When I get to direct link here, you can see many things. You can see direct link, click green, create direct link button below to start. Set your click category, and if needed, remove campaigns with unwanted ads. Put the link anywhere, a post or Facebook button, images, everywhere where your visitors will be able to click the link. Track and make change. Track statistic and make your click settings. Click edit to change your link name or remove ads that you don't want to display. Okay, so far I created this direct link here. And let me create a new direct link. Let me create a new direct link. I'll come here. I will click on create direct link here. I'll come direct link category. I will choose non-adult. Be sure to do this. Choose non-adult. Then you can tick the ads you want to display. You get how it works. Please be aware that the more ads you allow, the higher CPM you can expect. The more ads you allow, the higher CPM you can expect. I'll click on add, and this should be, we already have direct link 1, direct link 2, so this one should be direct link 3, which is pending currently. So it takes some minutes to be approved. It takes just a few minutes to be approved. Okay, this is approved now. Direct link 3. And click on edit. The same thing you see here. You can change name. I can put WhatsApp. Direct link. I'll click on add WhatsApp direct link. I made a mistake. Yeah, WhatsApp direct link. So the next thing you're going to do is we go here, then we go to bit.ly.com. Now this is a link shortener. This is a link shortener website. There is a popular website you guys should know about it. It's a very popular website. Now the next thing I will do is I will go to get started for free. I will choose the free package. Choose this one. I will now sign up. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using temp now to create this account. I'll just put in a name. James, username James226. Yeah. I'll use this email to create an account. I can just put any password I want. Now we'll see some more character, one number, one letter, one special character. Okay. And click on sign up. Sign up with email. Already have an account. No. This is not working. Let me refresh. James Man New 45. Then it seems my password is not working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one character, one number, one letter, one special character. I don't know what these things are. They're not giving me any error. What is this? Okay. So I have to log in with another account to let this thing happen. So I will get my account and log into this, then I will show you. But even if I do that, Even if I do that, I will not be able to get. Okay, let me go to sign up again. Then let me use a real email. I'm going to use a real email for this so that it will be more clear. Okay, so I'll put in this email. I'll sign up. Okay. So I don't know. You said okay, let's skip. Okay, we've created our account. This is our account. So this is it. This is how it will look. So the next thing we should do is we'll go to our Adsterra account. Then we copy this directly for WhatsApp. This particular one we created. Then we come here. And click on create your first link. Destination URL. We paste this code here. Option. Now you can use anything, but me, I prefer using free MTN, free 10 GB MTN data valid for 30 days. Free MTN data valid for 30 days. That's it. Click on create. Yes, we are good to go. Then we now copy our link. Now copy our link like this. Now when somebody sees when you post it, this thing will appear right here. This free 10 gig MTN data valid for 30 days. They will see this thing here, so it will be like the title of the what, like it will look very clean and legit, but they won't suspect anything. You can cross check also. You can also copy from here. You can copy from here. and cross check everything is working fine. Check everything is working fine. If everything is working fine, if everything is okay, then you're good to go. But if not, you can also try finding out what is wrong, then you set it up. So how do you wanna use this now to make money? First, you go to your status or self status. You go to your WhatsApp status. Then go to create status, like post status, and that status should be test. It should be test. It should be test. It shouldn't be. You can also include image, but the best one that converts very well is test. Want to use test, you can say something like okay, I just received my MTN free 10 GB data that is valid for 30 days. You can paste your link here. So once you paste your link here, you can also come here. And confirm that what we pasted is really what should be pasting. So once you're done with this, whoever clicks feeling that they're going to get their free 10 gig, you go to the site, you click on your ads and you earn commission. So the money you're going to make depends. You don't really rely on one. It depends on the number of clicks you're able to generate from your WhatsApp status. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay safe and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can do short more videos like this.